Okay, so if you're pulling in a high income, there's a really good chance you're paying way more in taxes than you actually need to. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly why that happens and introduce you to the two critical experts you absolutely need on your financial team to fix that problem for good. All right, so here's our game plan. We'll start by digging into the big tax problem that so many successful people run into. Then we'll introduce the two key players you need in your corner, the compliance pro and the tax strategist. After that, we'll see how they have to work together, and we'll wrap it all up with the mindset shift that's required to truly win the tax game. So let's jump right in and frame the core issue, the thing that trips up so many high earners, even when they're totally convinced they're doing everything by the book. It's a really frustrating place to be, right? You're a doctor, a lawyer, a successful consultant, you're making great money, but that tax bill it keeps ballooning right alongside your income. The answer isn't just to work harder. It's about fixing a really common but serious structural gap in your financial team. And this is the thing you gotta understand. Making more money doesn't automatically make you tax efficient. You see, the US tax code isn't just a bunch of rules. It's really a giant system of incentives. And if you don't have a proactive plan to use those incentives, you end up just reacting to the rules instead of making them work for you. So, let's break down the first of two essential pillars for your team. Now, this is the professional pretty much everyone knows about, but whose role is honestly fundamentally misunderstood by most people. You know, the CPA, the Certified Public Accountant, they're like the bedrock of the financial world. They're licensed at the state level and are known for being incredibly precise and reliable. But here's what's super important to grasp about their specific primary job when it comes to your taxes. And this right here, this is a huge distinction. A CPA's job is fundamentally defensive and backward-looking. They are total experts at correctly reporting what has already happened. Their number one goal is to keep you out of trouble, making sure your tax filings are accurate and compliant. And that's absolutely critical, for sure. But it's only half the battle. And that brings us to the second pillar, the one that's so often missing from the team. You can think of this person not as the historian who records the past, but as the architect who designs the blueprint for your financial future. So unlike a CPA who's state licensed and has his broad financial training, this specialist has a laser focus. They're federally authorized, which means they can represent taxpayers in all 50 states, and they specialize exclusively in the tax code itself, the rules, the regulations, the incentives. That intense focus is their superpower. See how different this is? This role is all about offense. It's forward-looking. A tax strategist is in your corner all year round, helping you structure your finances to legally minimize your tax bill before it's even calculated. They're not just reporting on history, they're actively shaping your financial future. So let's just put it all together in a nutshell. The CPA focuses on historical compliance with the goal of accurate reporting. The tax strategist focuses on future reduction with the goal of wealth maximization. One plays defense, the other plays offense. And this is where the magic really happens. The solution isn't to fire your CPA and hire a strategist. No, it's all about building a complete system that brings together their unique and totally complementary strengths. This analogy from industry experts just nails it. Think about a championship football team. The tax strategist, that's your offensive coordinator, the one in the booth drawing up the brilliant playbook. The CPA, that's your star quarterback on the field, executing those plays flawlessly. You absolutely need both to win. So here's how that system actually works, step by step. It all starts early in the year, when the tax strategist designs your custom game plan. Next, you and your team implement that plan throughout the year. And then finally, at tax time, the CPA takes all those strategic moves and make sure they are reported with complete accuracy and compliance. It's a seamless flow from blueprint to final build. So what's the actual impact of getting this right? Well, according to experts, high earners can potentially slash their tax liability by 50 to 100% when this integrated system is running correctly. I mean, this isn't just a minor tweak. This is a fundamental transformation of your financial outcome. So what's the ultimate takeaway from all this? It's about more than just hiring the right people. It's about fundamentally changing how you think about your finances and your taxes. The real lesson here isn't just about tax forms. It's about learning to think like a strategic business owner, not just a passive taxpayer. Filing your taxes in April is simply reporting on history. Building real wealth happens through the proactive decisions you make all year long, with taxes in mind from the very beginning. And that leaves us with a final question for you to think about for your own situation. A strong defense is absolutely essential to protect what you have, but you can't win the game without a powerful offense. So take a hard look at your team. Are they just playing defense, or are they helping you score?